Hello everyone. So in this video we will see a very interesting important question. The type of variety of questions always there in the advanced examination, and this question is finding function first by using Leibniz formula and followed by differential equation. So let f be a differential function on R satisfying the integral equation. Equation is ft dt का integration from 0 to x plus t into f of x minus t. This is super important over here. Because of this we cannot apply the Leibniz formula directly, because this is f of x minus t, not f of t. Correct? So directly you cannot apply the Leibniz formula over here. That is equal to minus 1 plus e to power minus x for all x belongs to R. Then which of the following options are correct? This is multi-correct question. Now see, first one is 0 to x ft dt. I can apply Leibniz formula over here. But the second one is 0 to x t into f of x minus t ka dt. Here I cannot apply the Leibniz formula, and that is equal to minus 1 e to power minus x. So how I can convert it into the ft? So I can apply the king rule. King rule is what? A to b fx dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. That is your king rule. So just apply the king rule over here. Where? Here. Here you apply the king rule. Only here. So this is what? This is 0 to x ft dt, and this becomes 0 to x minus t, and this become f of t dt. So when x is replaced by x, means t is replaced by, t is the variable over here, na? So t is replaced by x minus t. So x minus t, that is equal to t. Correct? In f it is like that, f of t. Correct? So that is important. This step you understand. This become x minus t, and this become f of x minus t, that is f of t, by using the king formula. So that is equal to minus 1 plus e to power minus x. Now we can separate this integration again. So that is equal to 0 to x ft dt plus 0 to x into ft dt minus t into ft dt 0 to x, that is equal to minus 1 plus e to power minus x. Correct? So this is interesting. Okay, fine. I have separated this x minus t into ft dt is x ft t dt. X I can take common because x is constant here. So I can take out of the integration. So this is simply ft dt. And this is t into f of t dt. Now I can apply the Leibniz formula. Apply Leibniz formula. तो डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे, दैट इज डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? दिस बिकम्स f of x. Here we will apply the product rule, that is x into differentiation of this one is fx plus 0 to x ft dt into differentiation of x, that is equal to 1. Correct? So just remove 1 here, and then minus here x into fx, and that is equal to minus e to power minus x. इसका डेरिवेटिव माइनस इंटू e की पावर माइनस का x. So this x into fx cancel out. So we are having only with fx plus 0 to x ft dt, that is equal to minus e की power minus x. Now again we have to differentiate. So differentiation gives f dash x plus fx, that is equal to e की power minus x. Now it is your linear differential equation. So therefore integrating factor e की पावर में p dx, p का वैल्यू 1 है, so this is e की पावर x, that is your integrating factor. Correct? Now what you have to take care, this is f dash x plus f of x e की power minus x, and when you observe the option f dash 0 plus f of 0 is e की power minus 0, that is equal to 1. Clearly this option is verified. This option is clear. F of 0 plus f dash 0, that is equal to 1. Correct? Correct? F dash 0 plus f of 0, that is equal to 1. Now coming to this one, what is the solution of this equation? The solution is y into e की power x into q. Q is what? E की power minus x का dx, that is y into e की power x, that is equal to x plus c. C is the constant of integration. Now how to determine c? So y is equal to x into e की power minus x plus c into e की power minus x, that is y is f of x. F of x equal to x into e की power minus x plus c into e की power minus x. Now we have to determine c. How to determine c? That is again a question. How to determine c? From where we can determine c? C can be determined from where? Where from we can determine c? Yeah, earlier we are having like that, no? Fx. We are having the fx plus integration of 0 to x ft dt. Okay, fx plus, yeah, that is equal to minus e की power minus x. That was the expression earlier. So when we put x equal to 0, this become f of 0. This is 0. This is minus e की power minus 0. This gives f of 0 equal to minus 1. So this step is also important. That was earlier, correct? From here we have got this one, na? So f of 0 is minus 1. So I can use f of 0 is minus 1 from here. Minus 1, this is 0 plus c. So therefore c is equal to minus 1. Once you get c, so you got now your function. And what is that function? That is y is equal to fx equal to x into e की power minus x minus 1 into e की power minus x, that is x minus 1 into e की power minus x. This is your fx. Finally you got your fx. Okay. Now we have to find out what f of 2. F of 2 is definitely e की power minus 2. So this option is correct. Now what about f dash? F dash I can find out from here. F dash x equal to x minus 1 into minus e की power minus x plus e की power minus x into का 1. So f dash 0. F dash 0 is minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. That is 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. F dash 0 is 2. This option is wrong. So therefore A, B and C, these three options are correct. So this is quite interesting question.